What is going on YouTube? Hit back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are doing a Shiba Inu update video. Very important, as the past couple of days, we've been tracking Shiba Inu for quite some time now. We just made a video 2 days ago, as you guys can see right here. This would update very soon to 2 days. We made this video basically talking about the fact that Shiba Inu was breaking bearish outside of its symmetrical triangle. You guys can clearly see right here, we corrected lower than our uptrend here, which opened up a huge short opportunity that we could take advantage of on Bityard here, and we did fall all the way down to retesting our bottom support level, which we switched to a long position, moving to the upside here. So very exciting. I just wanted to update you guys on that because our huge opportunities forming right now within Shiba Inu, and I just want to break it down for you even more and discuss and go over what exactly we have to face moving forward within Shiba. Also, guys, really quickly, I want to give a huge shout out to Pulsar Token for sponsoring today's video. Hopefully you've seen Pulsar Token around. They've been floating around in the YouTube space. I've seen other YouTubers talking about them, but basically they're the first elastic rebasing token with real use case and utilities, and they're launching on the Binance Smart Chain with an elastic supply mathematically guaranteed to exceed the price of Bitcoin, then integrate into version 2. So if you guys haven't heard, they are launching their version 2, which is really cool. We'll be talking more about Pulsar at the end of today's video in regards to their new version 2 relaunch, which is really nice to see an actual use case behind a rebase token. And we'll also explain what exactly a rebase token is. Otherwise, if you can't wait, I have linked them in the description. But more importantly, make sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and let's dive into today's episode. So guys, market update, you guys can clearly see the trending and biggest gainers apparently are Doge Dash, Baby DeFido, Half Pizza, Elon Doge DAO, Green Moonzilla, and Baby Care. It appears that these are what people are more interested in than cryptocurrencies with some use case. But who am I to talk, because I'm currently making a video on Shiba Inu. If you can trade it, you can trade it. If you can make money on it, you can make money on it. But as you guys can see, Shiba is trading at number 9. We're currently up about 14.42%, 84% over the past week, and we do look really good. And here's the thing, when we jump to the Shiba Inu charts right here, this is the exciting part. So I do want to show you guys this clip here from the video that I made a few days ago, 2 days ago to be exact. I wanted to show you guys a clip from this video that we made 2 days ago, basically saying that the support level was broken and it was a huge buying opportunity to short Shiba Inu all the way down to the downside there, as you guys can see right now. What it is that we're referring to is the ascending fractal that's forming here. There's still money to be made in Shiba. Even if Shiba just dumps heavy, there's still profit that we can make here. We can either short it using Bityard, which I did link in the description, guys. You can just type in right here, Shiba USDT, and we can scalp it. You can easily see the uptrend that's forming here. If this pattern gets broken here, we start to breach lower, we can obviously scalp it and make some money off the dip here. But going back to here, you can also see this uptrend that I do want to just draw on right now for Shiba Inu. Let's do the 4 hour just really quickly. Hopefully this will help us scale it. You can see the uptrend that's forming here, and there's some sort of downtrend. It looks like we're just starting to break bearish here, which is interesting too. This might be a good short opportunity. There's some sort of uptrend that's been forming for quite some time, a pennant flag, whatever it is, but you can see we just started to confirm breaking downwards here, breaking through this supporting level, and this might be an opportunity to short this coin. So hopefully, guys, that explains a lot in regards to the fact that we have been in a short position on Bityard, leveraging this cryptocurrency to the downside here, buying in pretty much at the point of breakout, which was right over here on the hourly, and shorting this to the downside here. We went onto a market order, created 10x or 15x or whatever you wanted to do, up to a 25x leverage, and literally typing in the amount of margin you want, and then shorting the cryptocurrency by clicking sell short and capitalizing off this major run to the downside here. I have linked Bityard in the description down below. I've also made videos about how easy they are to buy and sell Shiba Inu for those that are curious about how to do so. This platform I've been using for over a year and a half now, and they haven't failed me not once. They also have a great customer support team right here, which you can just click on and you're good to go. Otherwise, guys, in regards to Shiba Inu, you guys can clearly see what exactly we were tracking here. So for quite some time, we've been following this beautiful uptrend on Shiba Inu and the beautiful downtrend, forming some sort of symmetrical triangle. As discussed, if we were able to confirm breach above our resistance level up here, we would buy in for a long position. And if we broke below our support level right here, we'd buy in for a short position. Well, we confirmed breaching and closing the hourly charts below this uptrend here, which opened up a door to buy in for a short. You guys can see how low we went, and you can see why we use this as a support to buy in and reverse to the upside here because of the uptrend that originally started on Shiba Inu. You guys can see this has been the long-term support level for Shiba Inu since, honestly, October 23rd here. I know that sounds like it's not a lot, but when you're looking at something in regards to the hourly charts, this actually extends back quite some time, giving us a bottom support level. Also, we were intertwined with the moving average, which was also acting as a slight support level. Didn't really hold that well, but we used the uptrend to reverse positions. You can also see the immediate reversal doji wick that formed right here. This was an immediate reversal showing you guys that bulls are here to stay, and the reversal was the flip in the market here, now creating higher lows, honestly heading up even higher and higher. So now what's the problem and where are we headed right now? So we've been in a position right now where we shorted the market all the way down to bottom support, bought in for a long position, reversed up to the upside here. Now I'm taking profits. So I have sold out of my position entirely within Shiba Inu here, and I'm getting ready to buy back in, but you guys can see the problem zone that we're currently having. We're starting to form some resistance levels, as you guys can clearly see. Not only was it a problem here, and this is where the point of breakout was originally within Shiba Inu, but we're currently back up to retesting that, and we had a double top formation, which isn't necessarily the best thing for the coin, but we are starting to form what appears to be maybe a long-term uptrend here, which I'm now going to currently extend this out since we just recently retested that. We're going to use this once again as a means of support here. Can we extend this one? I don't think so. It doesn't seem to be that useful. You could have used this and extended this all the way down here, and you can see for the most part what problem this has been here. Basically battling this resistance, haven't had much support breaking through it, and then we confirmed a breach here intertwined with our moving averages as a support and breaching through the top resistance. We're now starting to extend higher here. So there's a lot of interesting trends that are forming on this coin for the most part right now, but the problem is we're battling that top resistance level. So we have to confirm whether or not we're going to be breaching through here. Honestly, another buying position for a long opportunity would be if we close the hourly above this resistance here. We clearly double topped, which is obviously a bearish sign here. So if we're able to get some volume back in and close us on the hourly above this resistance, there's a good chance it's going to help us start to stem higher. Otherwise, expect rejection back to support. If we close above there, we'll expect to see a little more consolidation. But honestly, the next buying opportunity would be closing above this yellow resistance level. There's also this slightest uptrend forming here that you guys can see. It's so slight, it's not even worth drawing. It's so minuscule on the hourly charts here that it's not really worth intertwining. I'll leave it up for right now, but you can see the uptrend that's forming here. So I'm expecting to see some sort of problem or breach probably within the next couple of hours here, where we'll either correct back down to moving average or we'll break through our top resistance. I'm going to delete it for now, or no, actually I'll leave it up. Indecisive me, but you guys can see pretty much what it is that we're forming here. Otherwise, guys, I do want to talk about Pulsar. I want to give a huge shout out to Pulsar Token for sponsoring today's episode. As with all cryptocurrency projects, please do your own research and never invest anything you can't afford to lose. Launchpad, DEX, NFT platforms, dividends paid out of profits from the entire project. The list goes on and on. All different and unique from anything else. This is just a fraction of what's to come, and all of this will benefit Pulsar holders when V2 launches. It's going to be truly epic, and they will change crypto for the benefit of all who invest in it. So guys, Pulsar Token is a recently launched rebase coin based on the Binance Smart Chain that is mathematically guaranteed to exceed the price of Bitcoin. And I know that sounds crazy, but let me explain. It's also currently available on PancakeSwap too. Now, I'm sure for most of you, this is the first time you're hearing of a crypto classified as a rebase coin, so I want to explain exactly what that is. A rebase or price elastic token is designed in a way that the circulating token supply adjusts either increases or decreases automatically according to a token's price fluctuations. This expansion and contraction is what is called a rebase mechanism. So rebase tokens are somewhat akin to stablecoins in a sense that they both have price targets. However, unlike stablecoins, rebase tokens have an elastic supply, meaning the circulating supply adjusts accordingly to supply and demand without changing the value of the tokens in the user's wallet. Very interesting, right? So the question now is what happens to the user's point of view. The amount of tokens in each wallet will increase or decrease accordingly. Yet the total value of each wallet doesn't doesn't change thanks to the rebasing mechanism. So the Pulsar token is the world's first elastic rebasing token with an actual real-world use case and utility with an elastic supply. So over the period of approximately 8 weeks, every 4 hours, a protocol will call for a rebase, which will automatically increase the pegged price of the token by 5%. And this pegged price will determine if the token goes through a negative or positive rebase based on the current market price of the Pulsar token. And to break this down more, phase 1, which ends November 27th, period of approximately 8 weeks, a protocol is run every 4 hours to increase the price by 5% until it has exceeded the Bitcoin's price. And in phase 2, dividends begin being paid out and a one-stop shop metaverse is going to be introduced. Now, as with any rebase coin, the value of your investment is directly tied to the market cap of the coin, which has been growing by hundreds of thousands just in the past few days. Keep in mind, guys, there is a total supply of 21 million tokens, and the Pulsar token also has a genuine community, thousands growing rapidly across Telegram, Twitter, and Reddit, and they also have a large international marketing budget to continue increasing awareness significantly for the project. Now, guys, Pulsar token will be unaffected by the greater market. Approximately 8 weeks from launch, Pulsar will obviously rise to the price of Bitcoin. The big question is obviously posed as whether the Pulsar's inherent value relevant to Bitcoin will inherit its returns. So whether this happens or not depends purely on speculation and market psychology, and we may assume that there may be some correlation to the pegged price returns, although as with any speculative asset, only time will give us the true answer. Regardless, at the time, Pulsar will evolve into a bigger, long-term project. So guys, AMAs are starting to happen with the co-founders on a weekly basis within the Telegram and Pulsar, and V2 will also launch in the first part of December with multi-chain charting from one location with just a click of a button. A crypto marketplace where anybody providing a service within the crypto space can advertise, such as influencers, Twitter promoters, YouTubers, graphic designers, shillers, website designers, web devs, blockchain devs, full stack devs, copywriters, etc. Anything to do with crypto sellers or services can advertise free of charge, and buyers can buy their services without the worry of being scammed. It will be impossible for someone to be scammed and lose their money using the escrow payment system. Current platforms that offer services for DeFi traders and service providers in the crypto space are often scattered and inefficient, and Pulsar aims to unite all fronts and offer a platform that will be a one-stop shop metaverse where you are provided with everything you need in one place. So guys, by contributing to Pulsar, you'll be getting early access to the entire ecosystem of blockchain-related services, and will have the rights to share the dividends of the entire project moving forward forever. Much more to come, so definitely stay tuned. So guys, if this sounds interesting and you would like to learn more about the project, please check the links in the description of today's video. Otherwise, huge shout out to Pulsar Token for sponsoring today's episode. Always make sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.